Now, preparations are underway to reopen temples for devotees starting June 8th across, even in Bengaluru. My colleague Nagarjun Dwarkanatha gets us a ground report from Kadu Malleshwara temple. Here's a look.
Starting from June 8th, most devotees will have to enter every temple with folded hands and get out of the temple with just folded hands. Make sure that they don't touch any of the objects within the temple. And as you can see, every temple is carrying out the process of spraying disinfectant and fogging. And all such small temples within the premises of the big temple will be closed from June 8th, so that no devotee will touch the idol or the floor here, so that the infection doesn't spread also. The temple is making sure that they are taking every step to make sure they reduce the spread of infection as well, and taking every precaution that necessary as per the government guidelines. Nagarjun Dwarkanath for India Today.
We have followed all the guidelines given by the government. First of all, we have to maintain social distancing. We've barricaded the entire pathway where the devotees will enter the temple, and we've kept a distance of about 5 feet from each devotee, and we've made a mark, a tile sticker where devotees will be allowed to stand only on the tile. The inside, the prakara inside has a capacity of about 250 people. It can accommodate about 250 people, but we have restricted, and we are letting only 6 people enter the temple at a time.
Now, preparations are currently also underway at the famous Hanuman temple in Delhi's Connaught Place as well. Sanitization activities are being carried out. Aishwarya Paliwal brings us more.
Sanitation drive within temples has begun. I am standing at the famous Hanuman temple in Connaught Place, and this temple is making sure that it's ready to welcome the devotees on 8th of June. As you can see behind me, the cleaning and the sanitization of all the ghantis in the temple has already begun. They are making sure that every inch of the temple is being sanitized, so that when people come in, the temple is ready to welcome them. Lakhs of devotees of Hanuman are waiting for the doors of this temple to open, because this temple has a lot of following. In fact, lakhs of devotees of Lord Hanuman are just waiting to get a glimpse of their Lord. Lord Hanuman is also known as someone who will make sure that no harm is done to you. We are seeing what Corona is doing, not just in Delhi, but across the country. The pundits here are expecting people to come in, but they're also saying that people should not forget that we are not over Corona, and they'll make sure that social distancing is followed. What we see after 8th of June will be a very different form of worship from what we have been seeing pre-COVID. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting for India Today with camera person Ajay Thakur.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.